Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a Modern Jive reminder clip for the beginners class at the Kenn Centre on the 23rd of August. We did an arm jive, a man spin, a yo-yo and a push spin. If you need detailed teaching on any of that, there are links to the teaching clips in the description below. This is just to show you how the routine went together so you can see the joints. So we started with the arm jive and it went like this. We went 7 and 8. Offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return man spin. We went through and catch right with a return for the yo-yo, across the chest, out, flat, turn, switch to the left, return ready for the push spin. We come in, spin, catch, return and back. And that was that. Hope you find it useful. We'll be back next time with another Modern Jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. I always say it, and I really appreciate everybody who does because it helps promote the channel, and as a result I hope it helps promote dancing generally. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some Modern Jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance Modern Jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.